Today we're replacing the top hinge of the crystal mounted pressure gate. For this video, you are going to need your replacement top hinge, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an Allen wrench that was provided with the gate. Step 1, remove the screws that are holding the top hinge to the panel. Once your screws are removed from your top hinge, you can open up your gate, and we are going to remove the screw that is at the base of the gate. Once that bottom screw is removed, you can remove the entire gate rod to now help you remove the top latch. Once the rod is removed, I recommend keeping your gate latch, that way you have a sturdy surface to remove that top hinge. Align the top hinge with the gate panel, making sure it is lined with the top hinge bracket. When aligning the rod, we need to make sure that the top is aligned with the side screw holes. Now we need to secure the rod into place by reinstalling the bottom screw. Now we need to attach the top hinge to the gate panel by attaching it with the screws. This process can also be used to replace the bottom hinge of your crystal mounted pressure gate. You have successfully installed the hinge brackets on your crystal mounted pressure gate. Thank you.